Come on.
Oh, Daddy's got the camera out, so you had to come see, huh? She loves it when I flip the screen over. Who's that? Who is that on the screen? Go walk. Go walk. Go walk. Go on. Whoa. Whoa, careful.
Look what Mama's got.
You can pick yourself up. Go get Mama. No, you're supposed to walk. That's why Daddy's got the camera out.
Your little diapers, that way you're dressed.
You want Daddy to flip the screen over so you can see the baby on the other side? There she is.